Topview AI is one of the fastest growing AI video tools right now, and for good reason. It does something most tools still struggle with. It takes a product URL, a script, or even just an image and turns it into a finished marketing video in minutes. Let me break down exactly what it does, where it works well, and where it falls short. The core feature that made Topview popular is URL to video. You paste a product link from Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or your own website, and the AI reads the page, pulls the product details, writes a script, selects visuals, adds a voiceover, and delivers a complete video. That entire process takes a few minutes. It uses GPT-4o for script writing and integrates with both 11 Labs and OpenAI for voiceovers, which is why the narration sounds natural rather than robotic. It supports 20 or more languages, so if you sell in multiple markets, you can generate localized videos without hiring translators or separate voice actors. Now let's talk about the 5-minute video capability, because this is where the title of this video comes from. Topview has a feature called Canvas, which is their open workspace for creating longer videos, and it supports videos in the 1 to 5 minute range. This matters because most of Topview's other features are built for short-form content, 15 to 60-second ads, TikTok clips, and product reels. Canvas gives you the room to go longer, which means you can create product explainers, brand stories, or tutorial-style content that actually has space to cover something properly. You describe what you want, the AI builds a structure, selects visuals, adds narration, and puts it together. The more detail you give it, the better the result. Vague prompts produce generic videos. Specific, well-written direction gives you something that looks intentional. On the avatar side, Topview gives you access to over 2,000 avatars and voices on their paid plans, digital presenters who can deliver your script on screen, hold your product, and speak in natural-sounding voices. Their latest model, Avatar 4, supports full body movement and precise lip sync. The avatars look convincing enough for product demos and informational content, but real users on G2 consistently note that movements are formulaic and repetitive, and anyone looking closely will notice they are AI. That is acceptable for most marketing use cases, but it does matter for premium brand content where every detail counts. Topview also has a feature called Viral Video Agent, powered by Sora 2. You give it a product image and a few prompts, optionally add a reference video or choose a template, and it recreates a high-converting viral-style ad by analyzing pacing, transitions, tone, and rhythm. This is not simple stock footage editing. It actually generates new video footage around your product. The AI is trained on over 5 million viral ads from TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, which means it understands hook structure and pacing, not just how to put words on screen. For e-commerce sellers who need scroll-stopping ads fast, this is the feature that stands out most. There's also AnyShoot, which lets you place your product into any lifestyle scene or environment, fashion, home, outdoor, tech, without a photo shoot. You upload a product image, pick from over 5,000 templates, and the AI generates professional-looking visuals. It works across all product categories, including apparel, beauty, furniture, electronics, and pet products. It is particularly useful for catalog-scale content, where doing individual photo shoots per product is not practical. Where Topview genuinely excels is volume and speed. If you run an e-commerce store and need 10 or 20 product videos without hiring a production team, this tool is built for exactly that. If you want to A/B test different ad angles for the same product, Topview lets you generate multiple variations quickly and cheaply. For social media managers, drop shippers, Amazon sellers, and small business owners who need consistent video output, the value is real and clear. The pros are straightforward. It's fast, videos are ready in minutes, not hours or days. The URL to video workflow removes almost all manual work. The voiceovers are good quality for marketing purposes. Multilingual support opens up international markets without extra cost. And there's almost no learning curve. The interface is beginner-friendly, and the AI handles the heavy lifting.
The cons are equally real. The credit system means heavy users can burn through their plan quickly and costs add up at scale. Rendering times can be inconsistent. Topview sometimes estimates much longer than it actually takes, but the unpredictability is worth knowing about before you build a workflow around it. Avatar movements are limited in variety and can look mechanical to a careful eye. There's no preview option before you generate, so if the output is off, you spend credits finding out. Customization is also limited. You're working within what the AI decides, and adjusting specific moments requires changing your input and regenerating rather than editing directly on a timeline. The best scenario to use Topview is when you need product or marketing videos at scale, when speed matters more than cinematic precision, and when your video's job is to inform or convert rather than make a strong brand impression at a premium level. It's not the right tool for hero brand campaigns, high-end storytelling, or any content where frame-level control matters. For that, you still need a real editor and original footage. But for the large number of sellers, marketers, and creators who need video content regularly and don't have the time, budget, or skills to produce it the traditional way, Topview is one of the most practical and capable options available right now.